Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Saturday the 19th, September the 19th. Yes, I cannot focus this where we no, it's too far. Yes. All right. It's September the 19th, 2020. We have only one regular Sudoku. It's a medium Sudoku. Yes, a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, there's also a quintuplet on Saturday. Yes. I hate quintuplets because it takes me more than an hour to solve. And there's also an additional with six extra, no six, there are 8 extra Sudokus. Yes, 8 extra Sudokus. But we will solve this one medium Sudoku, and this one will be a number, let me see, it's a number 1566. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. So you have for the difficulty level, an indication of the difficulty level. All right. Let me see how many printed digits there are in this medium Sudoku. We have here 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11, 12 plus 4 is equal to 16, plus 5, 21, plus 4 is 25, plus 3 is 28. 28 printed numbers. Let me check this again. 3, 7, 3, 7, 12, 16, 17, 20, 24, 28. Yes. So it's easier than the Sudoku with 1 star in the additional. The 1 star has 27. This one has 28. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Yes. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. So no 4 in these 3 boxes, so the 4 could be here or could be there. So in the first row, we have a 4 in one of these 2 boxes. In the third row, so in the first row, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the third row, we have a 4 over there. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then let me choose another digit. How about the number in this row? We have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. Here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 are missing. 8 and a 9. Let me see. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this row. So no 2 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. The other 2 boxes in this big square should be the 6 and the 8. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 5. 5 is missing, yes. Alright. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Those 3 numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 6. 2, 4, 6. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. That means the other 2 numbers in the first row, 2, 4, 6, these should be the 8 and the 7. 8 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Let me mark them for you. It's up here, it's up here. The other 3 in this big square should be the 1, the 6 and the 5. 1, 6, 5. We see here 1 and the 5. So no 1 and the 5 in this box. The 1 and the 5 goes in the other 2 boxes. So this should be the 6. Alright. And now. Let me see now. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7. So no 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here. So this is going to be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7 and this should be the 8. These 3 should be the 8, 6, and the 9. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about these 2 numbers? 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 8. We have an 8 in this row. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8 and this should be the 3. 3 missing numbers now. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 4 should be here. And because we have a 4 there, the 8 is missing. We have an 8 here, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. The 4 and the 9 are missing. We have a 9 in this row. One of these 3 boxes, so this can be a 9. This should be the 9, and the 4 goes and there. 1 box left in this row for the number 9. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column, so in the first column. The only place for the 9 should be there. These 2 numbers in the middle column for the numbers 1, 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there, and the 3 goes there. These 3 numbers, the 4 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here the 2 and the 4, so no 2 and the 4 in this box. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left should be here, the 9. The 2 and the 4 goes here. Let me mark them, it's a pair. These 2 boxes is also a pair for the numbers 8 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And 8 goes there, 4. In the third column, 4. In the second column, so in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for the number 5. 5 is missing, yes. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Here also the 2 and the 6. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 1. 2 boxes left in the second column for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. The other 2 boxes in this big square should be the 8 and the 5. We have a 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 5 goes there. That means that we have here 3 missing numbers. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. We have a 3 here and we have a 3 over there, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The other 2 boxes, the 5 and the 7 are missing. 5 and the 7, we have a 5 here, so no 5 here. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. And let me see, 7, 7, 7, 5, 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be the 5. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in the last column for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the 9 and the 8. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 8 and 2. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 4. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you next time with the quintuplet if you like this kind of puzzles. Bye bye for now. See you soon.